This is Jimmy Fahey, Capacity Solutions Manager with Loadsmart, and here's your weekly market update in less than 60 seconds. Industrial production moved up 1.1% for the month, but is down 5.3% year over year. This shows some momentum building for manufacturing. The Cass Freight Index was released last week and showing its first year-over-year shipment increase in nearly 2 years during October. Shipments climbed 2.4% during the month. This shows the highest year-over-year growth since October 2018. Analysts expect this to continue through the end of the year, while analysts point to lean inventories as a catalyst for future growth. Stifel analyst Dave Ross expects the line haul rate index to improve in the coming quarters as contracts are renegotiated higher. Expect capacity to remain extremely tight because drivers start to head home for the Thanksgiving holiday. Even a small decline will have a big impact in the market already experiencing peak season levels. Outbound tender rejects have already climbed over 27%, indicating that rates are already elevated and trending upwards. Spot markets will continue to climb daily as carriers take advantage of the pressure shippers are under to get loads out during the short week.